The owners here at the Howard Johnson by Wyndham in Ocean City, Maryland. Here's elevator one is coming down. Look at that, you cute. Here it is. I'll let you guys go. That's the non-glass one. We want the glass one to come down. Elevator 2 is the glass one, this one. Here it comes down. Yeah, elevators at the Howard Johnson by Wyndham in Ocean City, Maryland. Button sticky. And here it is. This should be the glass one. I'm gonna point it away in case there's people. What the? Alright, 7. Here we go. I thought these were gonna be glass. Did they cover them up? I guess they covered up the glass. Can we still see out? Yeah, so these are technically semi-scenic elevators. Here we are at 7. I think they used to be saying before. These are done G. Innovation buttons. You don't get a cab view. Very nice elevators. These could be traction. That way they could be a little bit faster. Yeah, you can see out. Look at that. You can sort of see out. Yeah, they must have covered up the glass. I'm about to go out of G. I'm ending at G because I want to get caught on the first floor. Because I'm not a guest here. We're at G. I guess these are Delaware elevators, I'm not sure, but gotta make this quick. There it goes. And that's it.